How can you increase your KDP sales from here to there? Well, this is the secrets we are going to share today. This is Nusrat from Ecomclips, and in this video, I'll be sharing everything about A+ content for Amazon KDP. Like, what is it? How to make it effective? And most importantly, why the majority of the sellers get it wrong. So without any delay, let's get started. So first thing first, what is A+ content for Amazon KDP? When you are on a product page of a book like this one, scroll down a bit and it will have a little section called From the Publisher. So here you can see the A+ content for KDP. It's the same as the other product A+ content like this one, though there are some differences. However, for KDP, it's just bonus content on your product page to help sell your book. In my opinion, if you sell a book, you should have A+ content because it's one of the most valuable features for your product page that can increase your conversion. It gives people an understanding of what your book is all about, and it's a great way to sell it to them. As a KDP seller, maybe you are selling books or guides like the 5-ingredient college cookbook, Cooking Mastery for Mom, or Cooking for Beginners. All of them are books and you have already provided a lot of details. Then, why would you need A+ content for your KDP? Does it really matter to have an A+ content for selling KDP on Amazon? Well, A+ content gives your readers more visual understanding of what your book is all about and what's inside it. People want to be able to visualize their goals with the problem that they have. And A+ content is the ideal way to show them that you know how to take care of them. In my opinion, if you sell a book, you should have A+ content because it's one of the most valuable features for your product page that can increase your conversion by up to 25%. Now the concern is, how can we actually make our A+ content effective in getting people to buy our book? Actually, we often face the question, that is, when considering A+ content for KDP, what is the goal? Actually, it's a good question. Let me share with you the goal for Amazon A+ content of KDP. Probably I have already answered this question if you heard me carefully what I have said so far. Whatever, the goal of our A+ content is to essentially provide potential readers with an idea of what they can expect from our book and the experience they are going to have. But we can see a lot of publishers are using the A+ content, but they are not getting the expected results. Do you know why? Either they are using too many text or not using visually appealing images, or they are not applying the A+ content properly. So, what is the secret to doing the A+ content effectively? If you think and ask yourself, probably you'll get the answer. Okay, no need to think more. Let me tell you the secret. The secret to making the A+ content effective is showcasing what your book is about at a glance, not with a bunch of text. I can promise you that this is what most people get wrong. The concept is that customers or reader have already read your title and descriptions, and they will scroll down and read your reviews. So, 99% of people will not get the energy to read more text from the publisher sections. This means we need to highlight our book and our brand as visually as quickly as possible. And this is how you maximize your conversion rate, because they get a broad pictures of what exactly your book is going to do for them at a glance, with images, visuals, snippets from the inside of book, and just overall valuable content that sometimes the descriptions and the title just doesn't get and give to them. That means we have to hit specific pain points with bold statements that are easy to read. You have to get images and diagrams from inside our book so they can envision the experience that they are going to have when they read it. So let's look at an example of good A+ content. Right now, these are some good examples of an A+ page for KDP. Okay, let's have a closer look at this one. So, at the top banner, it used a family photo with some ingredients that express they are cooking something. And on the right side, they try to highlight the number of recipes this guide has. Even anyone can whip up at any time, whether it is the busiest weeknight. Now, if we check the title, you'll understand. Is it really aligned with the book? So, the book is 100 plus easy family favorite recipes. Now, we can say, yeah, it's pretty good. If we go down to the next column, we can see it showcase some recipe images like ricotta waffles, salad de maisons, chicken in mushroom wine sauce, and so on. Actually, column 2 and 3 added different types of family-made recipes that customers are looking for. Let's go to the final column. Here we can see it uses a serving image after preparing the food. It seems like pizza and looks so mouth-watering. Actually, I love pizza a lot. Whatever, with the text, they want to inform the customer that all the recipes are very easy to prepare and all will be so delicious. So after analyzing, we can say that the A+ content clearly gives the reader a really desirable snippets of what they are going to experience. And it's so much more likely they are going to buy the book if they can see this. Yes, this content is good, but we can make the design more visually appealing. Usually, before designing the A+ content, we did in-depth research and highlighted the pain point of the book to grab customers' attention. If you need help designing the A+ content, feel free to contact us. We have a dedicated and highly skilled designer team who can help you create engaging A+ content, whether it's for KDP or general product. Okay, let's have a look at a bad example. And I will share with you my thoughts. Why it is bad, and if I prepared the A+ content, then what I would do for this. So, this is another book of recipe, Cooking Mastery for Mom. Learn how to cook your favorite American recipes. If we go down to the From the Publisher section, we can see it added only 3 images with the recipe name like delicious cheeseburger soup, lobster roll, and thrilled beef tongue that are added inside of the book. The problem is that when somebody is scrolling down, they are just going to see only 3 recipes, nothing else. If we compare it with the previous one, definitely the earlier one is better because they have everything from the top banner images to the lower banner and a few most preferable recipes. Now, if I prepare A+ content specifically for this book, then what I would do to make it better? How do we make this effective A+ content? Now, I'm going to make some tweaks to it to make it better. Well, for the first column, I would love to add a banner image that perfectly showcases the book name, Cooking Mastery for Mom, and how many recipes it would have. Also, I would like to add some important points such as Mediterranean dishes, keto dishes, and favorite American recipes. Also, I would love to add the book that is held by a mom's hand and some ingredients for preparing food on the kitchen table. Here is an example that aligns a bit with my concept. Now, let me come to the second column. For the second column, I would love to add some delicious and favorite American recipes that are related to ketos and Mediterranean with visually appealing images, such as keto bacon cheeseburger, Greek salad with grilled chicken and feta, keto barbecue pulled pork, something like that. Definitely I would like to add some small details about the recipes, but not too much. This would be short and concise. But what is the reason behind it? Because when somebody is scrolling down, they can quickly see, oh, keto dishes. What is the image recipe? Keto barbecue pulled pork? That's so cool. Oh, Mediterranean dish. Looks so delicious. Oh, all our American favorite dishes. In a single guide, it's amazing. And they are going to get through it a lot quicker. And they are going to retain the information a lot better. So that's how you can take what was kind of okay and make it a lot more effective. In third column, I would love to highlight a few more important information with images about the book that help to convince my reader to click on Add to Cart button. For example, it could be something like delicious recipes. And the text would be something like unlock the secrets of creating delicious all-time favorite American recipes. And Add an image of a few delicious foods. This means you want something that's clear, concise, and it's going to grab their attention. You want to give them an idea of what they are going to find in the book. Another one is healthy lifestyle. And the text would be, discover a path of your favorite recipe with the nutritional advantage of these meals. This means you are providing information that all the recipes guide are prepared for a healthy and nutrition lifestyle. And add an image of healthy lifestyle. The next block should be easy to prepare, and the text will be, instructions are easy to understand and simple to find ingredients. This means the steps or guidance provided are clear and straightforward, and the ingredients required for the recipe or task are readily available. Now, the last one. The fourth column. Well, for the last one, I would come up with the banner image where prepared meals and served to friends and family members and enjoying the delicious meals. This means friends and family members convey a sense of warmth, togetherness, and satisfaction. It suggests that the recipe book promotes not only delicious dishes but also the joy of sharing the meals with loved ones. It emphasizes the idea that the recipe within the book are not just about food, but about creating memorable moments for fostering connection through cooking and dining together. So, this way we can make the layout more effective. It grabs the reader's attention right away. It gives them a clear idea of what your book is about and why they should keep reading. It breaks down to the content in a way that's easy to read and easy to understand. And it finishes with a strong call to action. Yes, I understand. It would be better if I showed you by creating them, live example. No worries. We'll come up with a video soon where we'll show you how to prepare effective A+ content for KDP. So, keep your eyes on our YouTube channel Ecomclips. We do have more resources like this. You can also visit Ecomclips.com, which has a lot of cool things you want to check out to make sure you level up your Amazon strategies in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are an e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Till now, we have launched and have been managing more than thousands of Amazon choices and bestseller ranked products, and guiding Amazon sellers to utilize platform properly to get the most out of it. We'd love to help and work for you as well. If you need any help, you can book a same-day free appointment with us. Our phone number is right away in the contact us section. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. If you have any queries, feel free to let us know through our comment box or email us at info@ecomclips.com. Thanks for staying with me till the end of the video. We'll get back to you soon with another new video. Till then, stay safe.